What's up, Rebuild Empire? It's been, I don't know, 2 years or something like that. I don't even think I've even uploaded this truck on here. Sold some things and life happened and whatnot. But anyway, I got this truck. It's been deleted. It has, I think, 5 different tunes on it. And I'm not a diesel technician, but one of the things that did concern me was the fact that it has the cold air side for the turbo, the plastic pipe, and they fail. And I really didn't want to deal with that. And I so happened to come across the Sinister Diesel cold side piping kit, and it had a blemish on it, so it was on sale for like $250. And I was like, I'll go ahead and get the Sinister Diesel stuff, even though a lot of people say it's junk, and that's fair. Not that I have anything to compare it to, but it's all right. One of the things that I did have an issue with, and that their instructions are remove the old stuff, put new stuff on. Call it a day. I'm going to swing it around here. Not that you can really see too much because I already have it installed. I'll put some snippets of photos maybe. I'll probably do a short little reel. But let me swing it around here. And here we go. It's pretty standard. And then you go down there, and I think I can turn on the light here. And then you have your 90 down there. And what caused me the problem, and what turned an hour install time, according to the instructions, to, I don't know, a while, was because the 90 degree doesn't exactly fit accordingly. It's exactly the size, and if you try just to put it on there, you're probably not going to have a good time. I tried heating it up. I tried stretching it. I tried doing all sorts of stuff. It did not happen. I looked online, and after a lot of digging and stuff like that, someone's like, remove the power steering pump reservoir. I don't know why I didn't think of that. Don't know why. I'll swing it around again. So when you do all this, this pump right here is directly in the way of the cold side elbow, 90 degree elbow. And when you're trying to put it on there with this in the way, you're only able to get onto it like an angle, and you really can't get onto the pipe or the intercooler nipple ring, I don't know, output, sure, or input, output, anyway. So this, I didn't really think was causing too much of an issue or give me that much of an advantage to go ahead and take off this one 8mm bolt, slides up, and then you push it underneath here and kind of get out of the way, and then you have this vast open space to go ahead and put on the 90 degree boot. And then once that's installed, you go ahead and you twist this clamp right here around so these little guys right here don't get in your way, because I think that's what someone did and they didn't like it, so they returned it. But I saw that on another video where this guy marred his up because of this clamp, because of these right here. So it's kind of a bear, but once you get the old tube out, you can get underneath there with some needle nose or whatever way you decide to and twist it around so that way that doesn't give you a problem. And then I went ahead and stuck the pipe down in there and then fitted it on here and then lifted it up and then back down into the boot, and then used the boot and the pipe and twisted the pipe and rolled it into the boot. I had to reuse the lower intercooler to boot clamp because the one that Sinister Diesel sent was not right. And then this clamp was fine, and there's no clamp up here because it's that stretchy spring stuff. I used some grease to go situation out to go ahead and get it on there, and that worked out well. So there you have it, Sinister Diesel cold air pipe, charge pipe, cold air charge pipe install. So some tips and tricks there for you guys. Hope that helps anybody.